Hello everyone, just wanted to run something past you really. This is a quick update on my OMC Mech build. And I've got to a point now where I'm sort of beginning to do the outer shell, as you can see. But one thing that has occurred to me is, does he need a tail, do you think? So I'm quite liking the shape, but I'm sort of really thinking about the shape of the body here and wondering whether it needs to sort of be counterbalanced by something coming out the back. So I'd be interested to hear what people think. A few of you have given me some really good suggestions for this in the comments on some of the videos. So I thought it'd be quite good just to turn to YouTube really to see what people think. So yeah, let me know in the comments below. Do you think this guy needs a tail, or does he look okay as he is? Thanks for taking a look, and the next part of this build will be along in a few weeks.